Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important judgment on section 147 read with section 148 proceedings. Whenever the assessment proceedings are done under section 147, the department takes a view that the assessee cannot make a new claim in the proceedings under section 147 on the ground that section 147 is for the benefit of the revenue and not for the benefit of the assessee. The revenue takes the shelter of Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sun Engineering Works Private Limited judgment of the Supreme Court, which was decided in 1992, which says that the assessee cannot claim a new claim in the reassessment proceedings. So, if we read the judgment, that judgment is only applicable only to the reassessment proceedings and not the assessment proceedings. So, the question before the Calcutta High Court in the case of KHR Hospitality India Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, which has been reported in 471 ITR at page number 200 and which is decided on 10th April 2024, was that whether every proceeding under section 147 is a reassessment. Can there be the assessment in section 147? So this issue has been taken by the Calcutta High Court. The Calcutta High Court said that in section 147 there are two words, assessment and reassessment. The concept of assessment is there when there is no assessment of the assessee earlier, either in section 143 subsection 3 or 147. But if already assessment under section 143 subsection 3 has happened or assessment under section 147 has happened and the department goes for another section 147 proceedings, then in that case it can be said that the reassessment is going on. The Calcutta High Court also said that when the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 clause A is issued, or if it is not issued and it is assumed that the return of income is the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 clause A, even then the intimation under section 143 subsection 1 clause A cannot be termed as assessment order or assessment proceedings. In the present case, there was no assessment of the assessee earlier, either under section 143 subsection 3 or 147. First time the assessment proceedings were going on under section 147 and the assessee claimed interest as a deductible expenditure under section 43B for the first time in the section 147 proceedings. Earlier, the assessee has filed the original return and the revised return, but this claim was not made in either in the original return or the revised return. The learned assessing officer rejected the claim of the assessee by saying that these are reassessment proceedings and relying on the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sun Engineering Works Private Limited in 1992, the AO rejected the claim of the assessee. The same stand was taken by the learned CIT appeal and by the Honorable ITAT. The ITAT also hold the view that in the present case, these are reassessment proceedings without appreciating the fact that the no assessment under section 143 subsection 3 or 147 has already been completed. So, when this matter came to the Calcutta High Court said that in the present case, since there is no assessment proceedings and no assessment order, so question of reassessment does not arise. The court also said that the order passed by the assessing officer is assessment order and not reassessment order. The court also said that in the present case the assessing officer has not disputed in the whole assessment proceedings the admissibility of the claim under section 43B, but did not allow the claim just relying on the Supreme Court judgment. So in the present case, the Calcutta High Court said that in the present case there were no reassessment proceedings, there were assessment proceedings under section 147. So the ratio in the case of the Supreme Court judgment, that is Commissioner of Income Tax versus Sun Engineering Works Private Limited does not apply. The date of the judgment was 10th April 2024 and the name of the case is KHR Hospitality India Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 471 ITR at page number 200, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Calcutta High Court.